Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I've got a quick yet powerful video that I want to share with you. So stay with me for the next couple of minutes. This video will not be long, okay? Okay, now, before we jump into this, I want to say this. Although we have some of the best olive oil on the planet, we are not an olive oil company. We are a health and wellness company. Okay, with that being said, now let's look here. Most olive oil isn't this. Okay, you see, most people think olive oil is just olive oil. Okay, but real olive oil, high-phenolic olive oil, is something completely different. Prima by Oliabo is built on that difference. Okay, it is designed to support heart, brain, and cellular health at the deepest level. And so I just want you to think about that, okay? And while you're thinking about it, Google the benefits of high quality olive oil, okay? Now, this isn't cooking oil. It's functional nutrition. And we have nutritional products that are derived from this high phenolic olive oil. It's very powerful, okay? Now look at this for me. High phenolic olive oil is a blue zone food, and you can learn to live longer with a blue zone lifestyle. And so that's something to think about Googling as well. Blue zone food, blue zone lifestyle, blue zone living, etc. Okay? All right, let's go to the next slide. Okay, now, we often talk about the power of why, okay? Now, when your why is rooted in service, truth, and contribution, the right opportunities don't feel like work. They feel like alignment. And I'm telling you something, when you have the right opportunity, okay, you have that powerful why with the right opportunity, then you begin to get a vision for your life. You're beginning to see purpose. Okay, now look at this. Oliabo is for people who want their health, their income, and their influence pointing in the same direction. Because when your why is clear, your path becomes powerful and your potential becomes inevitable. Okay, so there you have it for this video. And I want to say this, that I'm leaving some very vital information in the description area of this video. Make sure that you check that information out. There's going to be a couple of links there as well. And you can sign up for Oliabo for absolutely free. And we've got a powerful team of people that we work with. I mean, this is just incredible. It's amazing all the way around. Okay, but there you have it for this video. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.